Good morning. This is my routine. What do you do in a normal day? What I do in my normal day, and I wake up early in the morning. I often take my dog outside, and I always wait for it to finish ordinary. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I usually make my own as well. Oh. Uh, Good morning, everybody. Uh, what do you do in a normal day? Okay, what I do in my normal day, I wake up early in the morning and I often take my dog outside and I always wait for it to finish ordinary and then I go to the bathroom and I brush my teeth. I usually make my own breakfast and I go to the bus station to go to work and sometimes I wait for my best friends to go home after work. I am a mechanic, so I am very tired and I hardly ever sleep alone and I always hope my wife comes to home to sleep next to me. This is my routine. This is what I do every day when I came back to work and then finish my activities and all the time and I go to the rest until another day. That is my routine for the day, right?